Hi guys, I thought it was about time that I made another video, and this is one of my favorites actually. I've been doing this for quite a while. It uses 4 cards, all spades, and ace through 4 actually in order. So now if I take them and give them a little mix and a twist, something strange happens. The 4 goes face down. Now if I give them another twist, something different happens. This time the 3 goes down. Do it again. This time the 2 goes down. But I didn't give it a twist, so it pops right back. Now if I do it one last time with a twist, the ace, the most mysterious card in the deck, goes face down. Now, you notice I said the ace was the most mysterious card in the deck. It's because it's capable of some very strange things. If I put it in the bottom and give it a shake, instead of a twist, something else happens. Nothing goes down, but they all turn blue. And not only that, the whole deck turns blue.